Hey quiz lovers, welcome back to the quiz Elif. Today's challenge is going to test your brain power and see how sharp you really are.
Subscribe now. If you love fun challenges, let's see if you can beat this quiz.
Get ready. You've got 20 questions and just 5 seconds to choose. Each round has a mystery option, funny, weird, or totally unexpected. Let's see what you'd pick, starting now.
Pick one, Coke or Pepsi, or maybe a mystery drink. You got tap water. Tell me, Instagram or TikTok, or a mystery app? That's WhatsApp. Here is one question for you. Who was the first president of the USA? Comment down answer. Choose fast, hot dog or burger, or a mystery snack. Here it is, instant noodles. Pick now, Apple Watch or Fitbit, or a mystery gadget. Comment down your choice. Game mode, Minecraft or Fortnite, or a mystery game? That's Ludo on mobile. Chill vibes, swimming pool or jacuzzi, or a mystery spot. Here it is, shower at home. Music time, headphones or earbuds, or a mystery sound. You got loud neighbor music. Foodie choice, pasta or pizza, or a mystery food. That's leftover sandwich. Shopping time, Amazon or Walmart, or a mystery store. You got dollar store. Travel vibes, New York or Los Angeles, or a mystery location. Here it is, stuck in traffic. Here is another question for you. Which U.S. state is famous for Hollywood? Comment down the answer. Style pick, sneakers or boots, or a mystery pair. That's slippers. Sports mode, basketball or baseball, or a mystery game. You got backyard cricket. Pick quick, iPad or laptop, or a mystery tech. Here it is, cracked tablet. Summer fun, ice cream or milkshake, or a mystery dessert? That's melting popsicle. Weekend plans, movie theater or bowling, or a mystery hangout? You got Netflix at home. Sweet tooth, donut or cupcake, or a mystery treat? Here it is, chocolate bar. Music fans, Drake or Taylor Swift, or a mystery artist? Comment down your favorite. Cozy time, blanket or hoodie, or a mystery comfort? You got mom's sweater. Pick one, Uber or Lyft, or a mystery ride? Here it is, city bus. Dream big, mansion or penthouse, or a mystery home? That's rented apartment.
And that's it, you just finished the 25-question cartoon emoji quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes every week.